My name is Charles Shelton. I will be graduating in June of 2019. I specialize in loading and configuring software and teaching other kids the skills I have. When I get an order, we look over how many of what product and when it's supposed to be due by. I load operating systems onto old machines that we are refurbishing. When we're done with it by the due date, we create an invoice for it with my business card on it. I help students learn the skills I have by showing them the steps, like how to dismantle a machine. You open it up, take some of the easy stuff out, like a hard drive, disk drive, the RAM. Then you remove screws to take apart other things. You unplug cables, unscrew the motherboard, it just lifts off. I put together a manual on how to load software on desktops and laptops. And I put it together in a Word document processor with pictures describing every step. I've learned a lot at Tech Depot. I'm learning about project management, teamwork. I've gained time management skills and organization skills. And I have a personal project going on too, where I am loading a Linux-based software to be able to give education for refugees to people in need wherever they are in the world who come in.